Hi, I'm Dave from Airdrie, Alberta, and I am testing the Greenworks 60 volt 16-inch direct drive trimmer. Put it to the test this is our fourth lawn that we're doing with it now since I've gotten it, and just to show you the operation. It's really simple, easy trigger pull, it's nice and quiet. So no issues with the speed, it's pretty consistent. There are two speeds on it. The second speed is for any heavy duty tough stuff. We haven't had to use it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's very simple. The guard on here is a nice size, so I'm not getting whipped in the legs by everything. And overall, I'm giving it 4 out of 5 stars. The only thing I think that would have been beneficial is if it were able to twist to do sideways kind of edging and stuff. But aside from that, I think it's a great product, and I really enjoyed using it so far. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. I'd recommend the Greenworks 60 volt 16-inch direct drive trimmer to family and friends for sure. Especially if you've got larger lawns or large areas, the battery life is fantastic and really simple to use.